Okay. Welcome back to Talk of the Town. Joining me now is John.Egan, owner of PuroClean, that does cleanup of all kinds. Nothing's too big or small, right?
That's right. That's
Okay,
right.
a lot of it may deal with disasters, right? Talk to me about like that range and what you do there.
Yeah, I think a lot of people hear the words disaster restoration and they think only big storms, but really it's a lot more than that.
Yeah.
But when a hurricane hits or a big storm would hit, and a lot of damage happens to properties in the area, we all have a national response team that, in addition to me and my team, would be here.
That's cool.
To help, yeah.
So water damage, that probably is one that you've dealt with before, possibly mold. Talk about that.
Yeah, water damage is one of the bigger ones that we deal with, and that can be anything from a leak from a supply line underneath the kitchen sink, dishwasher.
So even something like that, which could end up causing problems with mold or rot or whatever, right?
That's correct,
Okay.
yeah.
Now, hazardous, how do I want to say this? Like if there's something that's hazardous, well, I guess some people would consider mold hazardous.
Yeah.
But you will do the remediation or whatever to make sure that everything's A-okay. But I'm sure your employees even have to make sure that they're safe as they're doing that work, right?
That's correct, yeah. We have a lot of regulations that we have to abide
Yeah.
by. PPE that we have to wear, masks,
Yeah.
suits, things like that, depending on the loss that we're helping out
Right.
with. And it could be a biohazard or a trauma.
Oh, that's true. I didn't think of that.
Yeah, or even microbial growth we have to wear.
What? Uh-oh, now I'm going to start worrying. Oh,
Mold.
phew,
Yeah.
I'm like, what is it? I don't know about. I always like to worry, so I thought you gave me something new.
No.
Now, what areas do you service?
So we'll cover from the Savannah River up to Charleston and out past 95, and even
Wow.
a little bit of Effingham County. PuroClean's a national franchise, so we have 500 locations around the country. And I own the one here in the Lowcountry, Hilton Head area.
Whatever made you think this is something I might want to do or pursue?
It's a great question. I grew up, my dad was a property manager, so at the age of 10.
I bet you saw it all with your dad, didn't you?
I did, but I was walking around with the plumber, the handyman, learning
God.
how to do electricity, how to do plumbing, how to take care of a home. And really, it was about a year ago. We were living in Augusta, Georgia. Hurricane Helene came through.
Oh man, yeah.
And we had 2 80-foot pine trees come through our house. One tried to join us in bed.
Luckily, it didn't. We're glad you're still with us,
Thank
but
you,
that's
thank
scary
you.
as heck.
It was. So I had firsthand knowledge, kind of the disaster, storm response side of things, and I just thought, man, there's an opportunity here, opportunity to help people and to serve the community, and so we decided we wanted to be closer to the coast, and we love the low country life, and that's kind of.
Well, we're glad you decided to come here. Whatever happened to your home? Did you restore it and then sell it, or did you just? I mean, I can't imagine the damage with 80-foot pine trees.
Yeah, it was a significant loss, but we still own it. Actually, my daughter lives there, and she's going to college in the area.
Oh, good for her.
Yeah.
Well, good. Well, isn't it interesting how that all came about, though? But I still think it's very cool about your dad being property manager and learning so much.
Yeah.
Little did you know this is where you would end up. Okay, if people want to get hold of you, website, give you a call, what's best?
Yeah, visit the website is always an option, but the phone call would probably be the easiest.
Okay.
And to be able to schedule, we offer free inspections for
That's
people.
good.
Yeah, and so we're happy to go out and help people.
So have we talked about everything you all do? Is there anything else you want to focus in on that I haven't asked you?
No, I think you covered most of it. We do water, fire, mold, biohazard.
How difficult is a smoke? If in a home that has had fire damage, to get rid of that odor.
Yeah, the odor piece of it, there's different machines that we can use to neutralize
And it really
that.
does work.
It does, yeah.
Because one time we looked at a home, this is a long time ago, that it had some fire damage, and boy, it's that overpowering, that smell.
Yeah.
But there really is a way to get rid of it.
There is, yeah.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Takes a little bit of effort, but yeah.
Yeah, at least you're a guy in the know. You know how to do it. We appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we'll be back in just a moment.